Hi guys, I'm Josh Quillan. Everybody calls me Josh. So I'm the business owner of Josh Beauty Lounge, and I just want to share with you guys a couple of information, very brief and summary, um, for you guys to understand what is a paramedical tattooing. And the reason is because a lot of people do not have any knowledge of this service that is out there and that will be able to help you guys feel better. So let's talk. What is a paramedical tattooing? So this is a form of tattooing that we use to restore the appearance of your skin by injury, surgery, or any skin condition that we're able to work with. How we do that and why it's called paramedical tattooing. So in the paramedical area, we're working with medical grade products, CE mark for the European countries, and also FDA compliant. So that make it in a very trustworthy products. And then in the tattooing area, we are using tattooing techniques. So with that being said, we use a kind of tattoo machine. We're able to control the speed that we want to use depending on the area that we're working of the body. And then we introduce a cartridge. So normally the cartridge that we use have seven blades, so it's a 7-1, and then we are going in the dermis of your skin. So we don't go as deep as a regular tattooing person. We stay in the in the surface of your skin, which will be kind of the dermis. We're going to work on the dermis area. So let's say we're going to introduce the cartridge here. Normally we work from 1 to 1.5 or 2. So let's simulate that my fingertip will be kind of the cartridge or the needles. So normally you're not even going to feel it. So what we do with this, what we do is, depending on the area and the service that we're treating or giving you, we use different techniques and or different products. So if we're working with a skin that have texture, stretch marks, tummy tuck, breast implant, any surgery, and that it created a surgery scar with textures, all of this we work it with the SR. So the SR slash new region, what we do is a serum that have collagen, amino acid, hyaluronic acid, peptides, that it will help you to just break that dead tissue and put it in a very flat level. And what we do is we take the serum with our tattoo machine, and then we work in the dermis of your skin. So in a very light way, we're gonna do and introduce the serum to your skin, so that way you have a healthy way of healing, and it just reactivating or boosting the collagen of your body, so you have a better natural look. Then we have our SS, also called New Bride. So what we do with that product and what kind of service we offer with that. So on those ones, we normally work with scars, dark scars, or dark they dark age spots that do not have any textures. What we want to do with this, we want to lighten that kind of skin, so then in the future evaluate that patient if they are a candidate to have a camouflage tattoo. So we are able to use both depending on the areas that we're working on, what kind of results we are looking for. And then when you are a candidate to be a camouflage, what is a camouflage tattooing or a Brazilian camouflage? So this is just a technique of tattooing that we want to replicate the skin tone on the area in a very healthy or natural way. How we get to great results. So we have this new reader that we go read your skin tones depending on the area that we're working with, and the scar needs to be as light as possible, so that way we can introduce pigmentation. Why needs to be light? Just because we don't want to make it darker, the scar or the area. So that's why it needs to be kind of white, scar, so we're able to do camouflage. That's why, depending on the treatment that you're looking for, we start with our new serums And then we evaluate if you're a candidate to have a camouflage um, tattooing. So talking to our patients, what we have found is it's painless. And if we ask them from 1 to 10 what's the pain level, depending on the area that you're working on your body, some of them say 4, 3, 2, and there are some people that even fall asleep. So that's for you to have a level of stress, less stress of how this is gonna work. Because I know people think we're having a tattoo, it's gonna be painful. Of course, I have tattoos. I know it's painful, but with this kind of process, since we're working in the dermits, and it's we are not causing pain. Oh, and there's a lot of patients that are saying that that's true. If you have done your powder brows or any like lip blushing and things like that, you will understand probably the pain level, just because it's kind of the same process or the same techniques that we use, just we use different products. So I hope you guys have a better understanding of what is a paramedical tattooing. And if you have any questions, please, 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 please book your free consultation. I can do one-on-one consultation, I can do virtual consultation, so that way we can answer any questions or any concerns you might have. I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, and I'll talk to you guys later.